Today through this video we will learn how to add the numbers. As you can see, I have two types of sample data. One in which values are written continuous, and in second there is space, or you can say a blank cell between my data. I have two options. Either I use keyboard shortcut, which is Alt plus is equal to. If I go here and press Alt plus is equal to, it will give sum of the numbers written above from C6 to C9. But if I use keyboard shortcut here, it will go up to non-blank values. I have two options now. Either I will drag it to the top or the first value and press enter, or I will write a formula is equal to sum. This is number 1, comma number 2, comma number 3. And if I drag it to here, it will calculate the value which is mentioned above in the column. If I don't want dragging to change the cells which I want to add, for that I have to write sum, choose that first value, comma second value, and press enter. Now what I have to do, I have to click in between of F6 and press F4 to add the dollar sign. This dollar sign will keep my reference as it is, and if I drag it to here, it won't change. You can see it is showing me the same value, which is 6 plus 21, 27. So today we have learned how to add value through formula, how to add value through formula by dragging it when there is a blank space, give the cell reference, and third one is give the cell reference which won't change with dragging anywhere. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.